Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to give you my hummus recipe. It is very easy, basic recipe, and you can dip your favorite chips in it or make a lovely sandwich. So let's get started. Start with 1 can of drained chickpeas, add about 4 tablespoons of olive oil and 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. And about 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt and pepper, and blend until it's a smooth consistency. And if necessary, you can add a little bit of water. Pour into a bowl, garnish with paprika and some green onions. And you can use it as a dip with your favorite crackers. Or you can make a sandwich, which is my favorite, and this is healthier than mayonnaise. So I add some hummus to my bread. Slather it on thick. And add my cucumber slices. Oh, and there's one that's a little thick. I'll give that to Lucy. And there's my salt and pepper. And there's a nice healthy sandwich. And there you go. There's a basic hummus recipe. It's delicious. I enjoy it more than mayonnaise in my sandwiches. And it's healthier. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.